Hi everyone, welcome back to my page. Here is another new head wrap you can learn with your ashoke. So I started by pleating. After pleating, I'm going to be placing it on my head, and the measurement I'm using is 80-20. So after placing it on my head, I'm going to be arranging both sides. So I'll fold the edges in, then repeat the same thing in this other side. When I'm done, I'm going to be using the 20 to knot. So see how I'm going to knot at the center here. So after knotting, I'll arrange it. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be working with the 80. So the 80, I'm going to be pleating it. I'll open it up, pleat it, then fold it. See the way I'm folding it. Then take the remaining from the 20. First of all, I'm going to arrange it, okay? So I'm going to be arranging it. After arranging it, I'm going to take it up and tuck it in at the back there. Then secure with a pin. So I'm securing it now. Once I'm done securing, I'll be working with this other side, okay? So here I'm going to pleat it, then fold it into two. When I fold it into two, I'll push the remaining in, then secure with a pin. So I'm securing it now with a pin. So I'm done. The next thing I'm going to do, this other side, I'm going to pull it out gently and form some ruffles. So here, this side, the ruffle is not really hard. It's not difficult to form here. The work is in the other side because that side is heavy. You can remember I folded it into two and the remaining was much. Okay, so watch the way I'm going to do because this is where the work is. So see the way I'm creating the ruffles. After creating the ruffles, the next thing I'm going to do is to secure with a pin. So watch my hand as I'm going to be holding them to secure with the pin. I'm still securing. So don't forget to practice after watching so that you can be able to tie this by yourself, and also share this video out, okay? Share it out so that others can also learn how to tie their head wrap by themselves. Thank you very much for doing that. I really appreciate. God bless you. So you will see the next thing I'm going to do after securing. So for both of them to resemble, you will see how I'm going to push my hand. So I'm done securing. So see the way I'm going to push both of them together. You can see, push it together. Once I push them like this, I will arrange it, and that is all. You can see it's very easy and very simple. So this is the front, this is the side and the back. How do you see it? Write it at the comment section after watching. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.